trees. You'll notice those as you look at plaques for classmates that have died or faculty members who have. And then there's these other unusual ways. So this tree is a dogwood, and it's grown from a cutting of the dogwood at Harriet Beecher Stowe's home in Connecticut, who wrote Uncle Tom's Cabin. And we have an alumna named Mary Cox Schlosser. She's the class of 51, who is a Stowe scholar and was on the board of trustees. And so this tree was acquired in her honor, and there's a plaque to her, and also in honor of Harriet Beecher Stowe. And right now in quarantine in Washington, D.C., there is a cutting of the Samuel Johnson willow in Great Britain. And Professor Bob DiMaria, he's retired now, worked with the Arboretum Committee to get that sapling so that Vassar could one day have a willow tree in honor of Samuel Johnson, and that is of the same, is actually same genetic type as the Samuel Johnson willow in England. So it's really hard to bring, so we've talked about diseases a lot, and those come in accidentally. So the good news is, if you want to bring a plant in and you're doing it properly, it actually is really difficult. So the plant came into the country, and it has to be in quarantine for 3 or 4 years under care of a plant pathologist. And if nothing turns up in those 3 or 4 years, then hopefully it will be released then to Vassar, and Vassar will be able to plant the tree. So this can be done with care as long as it's done with, intentionally. So that's another very special way that a tree might come into the Arboretum. Okay, and we are
so now we're gonna
this is our longest walk.
Go visit the most recent class tree. So we're gonna walk in front of the library, past the library, and into the dorm quad just a little bit.
We're just gonna stop in front of Rainbow.